get started with this dropshipping strategy that I'll share with you in today's video. This is a step-by-step tutorial that anyone can make it work, even a beginner with no experience. So just make sure to keep watching until the end of this video to get every step right. Just before we start, I want to remind all of you that are new to this channel to subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on. So with that said, guys, let's start right away with the very first step that you need to complete whenever you start dropshipping, which is to find the winning product that you want to sell. So basically, you can just go over to TikTok, for example, and you can search for Amazon finds here on the search bar, and you can just see all of the results that it's going to give you. You can even filter your searches by the last 3 months, so you can see what is trending right now and what people are buying. Of course, you can even search for TikTok made me buy it, and you're going to do the same thing, filter your searches by the last 3 months, and you can see all of the trending products for the moment. And you're going to notice here, for example, that there are a lot of products, and you can just go, for example, for this dog toy or dog product and so on, so you can sell it on your own store. So what you can do actually to find this product is to just find a supplier, and I recommend that you just go over to alibaba.com, and here you're going to find a lot of different products for really cheap. So I have just searched for dog products, and you're going to see that it's going to give you a lot of results. And as you can see, there is that product that we saw on TikTok too, so you can click on it, and you're going to notice that it's selling like from 4 to 5 Canadian dollars. So it depends also where you're from. And you're going to see here basically that it's still really cheap actually, and of course you can even buy like more than 500 of pieces. So in the right hand side, you're going to see all of the information regarding the supplier. So this is a verified supplier, which is a very important feature. Also, they have 4.9 stars out of 5 for their store rating, and also there is like 100% on time delivery rate, which is very important as well. So basically, just click on contact supplier here. You can just ask them for product pricing, customization. As you can see, you can even tell them that you want to do drop shipping, and you're going to just start doing the other things as well. So the next step, of course, is to just create your online store. But before I show you that, I want to show you how much this product is selling on Amazon. So basically, you can go over to amazon.com, and you're going to just notice that here it is selling for like 17 Canadian dollars, 18, also even 23 Canadian dollars, and so on. So it's selling for a higher price that we saw on the alibaba.com. So it is pretty awesome actually, since you're going to just buy it for really cheap, and you're going to sell it for a higher price so you can get your own profit. So it's time for you to start creating your online shop, your online store, and in order to do that, you can go over to shopify.com. You can see that you can try Shopify for free for 3 days, and no credit card is required. Also, they offer a free trial, and you can enjoy 3 months of Shopify for $1 per month on the selected plans. So click on the pricing plan, and you're going to notice that that offer is for the basic plan, and you can just get and try this one for free, or you can go for the other plans as well, just like the Shopify one and advanced one. So these plans are monthly. You can even see that you can get the yearly plan as well, and they cost a little bit less. So of course you can go for any one of these, and once you create your online store, you're going to start listing your product. So basically, you don't need to just attach that product physically, because you're not going to get that product and then ship it to other people, to your customers. The supplier is going to take care of the rest. So just like I said, even before, you're going to contact him, and you're going to say to him that you're going to start dropshipping. So once you just start listing your products on your online store that you have created on your own, what you need to do is to start promoting your store or your products so you can get a lot of sales. So what you can do is to even go over to TikTok, and you can just open up that product, that video that we saw before, and you can see what this account is posting. And you're going to notice here that this account is posting only about that product, and it's the same video like 7 times. And one of these videos went viral viral, as you can see. So he's managed to make a lot of followers, a lot of likes, and also he just posted that link in the bio, so people can go over to his store and they can purchase something. And I want to mention actually that he's selling it for like more than $20. So he got it from Alibaba for really cheap, and he's selling it for much more, and you're going to do the same thing. So of course you can even just start creating some videos just like this one. You can even purchase that product on your own if you want to, so you can start creating some viral videos with it. And you need to stay consistent, to post every single day, and hopefully one of those videos is going to get viral really soon, and after that you can get some followers and you can just start posting link in the bio. Because I want to mention that here on TikTok you need to reach 1,000 followers in order to be able to start posting links in the bio. And of course you're going to put that link of your product in your online store so people can start purchasing it. The same thing that you're going to follow here on Instagram as well. Basically you're going to create an account here, the same to that on TikTok, and you're going to start posting the same content as well with some reels, because in my opinion reels tend to get viral like more often. And of course you can just start posting your link in the bio, and even go over to pinterest.com and create a Pinterest business account so you can start posting some videos as well. And of course you're going to even put the link in the bio. So basically this is the same strategy for all of the social media platforms and accounts that you're going to create. This is for you that don't want to spend money on promotion. So you can even run ads, of course. You can run Facebook ads, Pinterest ads, and so on. But if you want to start for free, you can do this by creating your own content and just purchase that particular product that you're going to sell on your own. And you can even start just making some viral content with it. So if you don't want to make content with that particular product, just like we saw on that on that TikTok account even before, you can even start creating some other videos as well, which is going to be all around dogs, since that product that we're selling is for dogs. So you can go over to canva.com, and here you can just create different designs for absolutely free. Go over to the search bar and click on TikTok videos, select TikTok videos and search for it, and then you're going to start creating some videos here all around dogs. So they give you a lot of free footage actually. So just go over to elements and you can just search for dogs or puppies, and then go over to videos, and you can just use any kind of these videos that you want and start posting them on your TikTok account. You can also just put some text on it by going over to text, and you can start writing something, so just to make this video more interesting, and then just post them over to your TikTok account. And of course you can tell them in the description that they can even purchase a product for their dogs and so on, and you can start selling dog products in your bio by putting the link of your store or even your product that you are selling. So with that said, guys, this is the strategy that I wanted to share with you today. I really hope that you like it. You can give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on.